English to Pashto sentences. That's not right. Da sahi nada. You can do it. Tada kawaleshi. Take rest. Aram waka. Don't worry. Fikar makawa. Keep quiet. Chapsha. Please agree. Razisha kana. Why do you act so pricey? The dumra gran karuna walikai. When did it happen? The kala wushu. Where is your attention? Sta tawajjo kum khwada. Why do you blush so much? The dumra sharmigi wali. What are you doing right now? Was sakai. It's just the beginning. Da khusirap shuruat thi. You crossed all limits. Ta the tolo haduno terwate. Speak aloud. Pazor asara waya. Serve the food. Warak peshka. Don't favor me. Pama malaza makawa. Don't make excuses. Bani majodawa. Come your hair. Vehtadi mangaska. Try to understand. The poido kushish waka. Don't make me angry. Ma karawa ma. Let him take time. Predachi haga time wahli. I am in trouble. Za pataklif ki yam. Keep it with you. Da zan sara ki dawa. Keep it back. Da wapas ki dawa. Keep it down. Da kata ki dawa. I kept it. Da ma ki haudo. Get me there. Ma hagalta warasawa. Meet me there. Hal tara sara melausha. Get it up. Da wakaga. Get rid of this. Da dina zan khlaska. I am getting it. Zama pasamach ki razi. Get away. Larisha. Write in Pashto. Puhto ki wilika. Why don't you eat something? Sakhuri wilina. I am telling the truth. Za rikhtiya vem. What's up these days? Dev razuki se hisab de. What brings you here? Dalta sangrat lawushu. I was around. Zakhwa usha wum. Is all well? Aya harsa samdi. Where have you been all these days? Da dumra wrazi kumzai we. Where is your house? Stakor kumzai de. I want to go to Peshawar. Za Peshawar ta tla wadam. Don't teach to your father. Pal plarta khudana makawa. I find it difficult. Matada mushkil kari. I have made a decision. Ma faisala kadi. The shoe belongs to him. The paizar the hagade. Don't trust him. Pahaga bawar makawa. Let him make his decision. Predachi haga khpala faisala wuki. Do not utter a single word. Yaw labs hum mawaya. What do you think of yourself? Ta tazan sakhkari. As you like. Chi sangsta khwakhai. Swear on me. Pama qasam waka. Were you following me? آیا تا زما تعقب کاو؟ Are you spying on me? آیا ته زما جاسوسي کوي؟ I don't want anyone help. زما د چا مدد نه دی پکار. Don't you understand at once? آیا یو ځل دی په پویه کې نه راځي؟ How many times I have told you? څو ځله مې درته ویلي دي. None of your business. دې سره ستاسو تعلق نشته. Come to the real point. د کار خبرې ته راشه. Enough is enough. بس ډیر وشو. Are you in a bad mood? طبیعت دې خراب دی کو؟ Subscribe the channel Pashto Anyone and press the bell icon for more updates. If you like the video, press like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.